Hey everyone, welcome back to AWS Cast. This is Intermediate AWS. Today we're talking about VPCs with public and private subnets. As a quick overview, this is the architecture that we're going to be creating. Here we go. So let's get started building out this whole thing right here. So I'm going to log into my EC2 or my AWS console. First thing I need to do is allocate an elastic IP. I'll show you why we need this in just a moment. So for network and security, go to elastic IPs, allocate new address, allocate, it'll give it to you. That's pretty easy. So now we need to create the VPC. We type in VPC into the search console. We're going to use the wizard. So we want to create a VPC with public and private subnets. Let's move forward. So the CIDR block, we're saying that the addresses of the instances or the services inside of our VPC are going to have the first 16 bits masked as the network mask, which will give us about 65,530 or so IP addresses. Looks like 531. AWS takes, I believe, 5 IP addresses from each network for management purposes. So that's what's behind that. So um, next, you'll give your VPC a name, and now we're going to create. Remember, we have the public and private subnets here. So we'll just use these numbers here. So the first 24 bits of the IP address will be the network mask, which means that we'll have about 251 IP addresses available in each of our VPC, in each of our subnets. So I'm going to put them both in the same availability zone. These usually equate to data centers, but I don't believe that's guaranteed right now. We're going to select the elastic IP for the NAT gateway. Again, I'll talk a little bit more about that in a moment. And then you'll hit Create VPC. Now this will take a couple of minutes to complete.